been looking for a perfect investment facing the Lekki-Epe Expressway, this is your best time to move. I'm at Lekki Aviation Town and plots here are selling out faster than expected. Aside landed properties, we now have building projects. We have 3-bedroom bungalows, we have 3-bedroom terrace, 3-bedroom duplex, 4-bedroom terraces, 4-bedroom duplex, including a 5-bedroom duplex in here in Lekki Aviation Town. And the good thing is that we have payment plan, including a mortgage plan. Lekki Aviation Town is one development I have watched grow. The appreciation rate, the development pace, everything is aligning, and early investors are already winning. So if you don't make your decision quickly, you're going to just sit back and watch others cash out. Do well to take advantage of this project now that you can. Now come along with me, let's step inside. Welcome back, viewers. This is the Lekki-Epe Expressway. You're already familiar with this, but if you are seeing this video for the first time, Lekki Aviation Town is well positioned facing the Lekki-Epe Expressway. So that's the Lekki-Epe Expressway and that is the Lekki Aviation Town. We want to move in so that we will see what is going on in there. Don't forget to tap on your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you always be the first to get notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. Okay, so let's move into Lekki Aviation Town and see what is going on in there. So smart investors and my first time viewer, this is the Lekki Aviation Town, the most sought after property in here in Ibeju, Lekki, facing the Lekki-Epe Expressway. The building you are seeing are the building projects we have ongoing in here. We are going to step inside and see it together while we proceed with other site updates. We also have the section of the bungalows. We are also going to get to that section. Okay, so keep watching and don't forget to tap on your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Okay, and make sure you like and share. Okay, so let's go see inside of this project, one of this building. We are going to step inside and see what it's like. Okay, so we're going to move into this building and I hope it's empty, but if it's not empty, we are going to check out another one. I want us to check out another one. This one is not so empty. Let's check out another one because I want us to see how the space and everything, but that one is filled up with stuff. So I want us to go see another one that is empty. Let's have a look at this one. I believe this is the living room area. So this is the living room from this angle. Let's get upstairs. So there's one room downstairs. Let's see what we have upstairs. Have another room up here. So that's room number 3. Remember we saw a room downstairs plus this two, that's making it 3. And this is another room here. This is a master's, making it 4. So this is a 4-bed here. And from here, you can have this view. Okay? So let's go see the others. So we have more units even behind these ones. We have a couple of units too behind these ones. So you see that our building project is taking shape. We've started fixing windows. Take a look at the work we are doing here. This is actually a good one. Okay, so don't forget that if you want to buy into any of these projects, you can take advantage of the payment plan. Our 6 months is free, meaning that 6 months has no interest in it. But anything other than 6 months will have interest in it. And we also have a mortgage plan in here as well. So these are more units coming up here. So let's keep going. These are more units. Lekki Aviation Town has been in existence for a very long time. I remember as far back as 2023, a plot in here was selling as low as 15 million naira. Today, a plot in Lekki Aviation Town is over 40 million naira and above. This is to tell you that the future is even going to get more juicy. Okay, so if you want to join the winning smart investors, the early birds that took advantage of this property, I know people that bought acres of plots in here when we were selling at 15 million naira. Today, they've made tons of profit. That is the benefit of investing early. Okay, with this huge development in Lekki Aviation Town, with this building project, smart investors that bought into this project early enough, they're already cashing out. Even if you decide to buy Lekki Aviation Town today, even if you decide to buy as little as a plot, a 300 square meter, a 500 square meter, and a 1000 square meter, you are still early because you are still going to make your profits in here. Okay, so let's keep going, looking for an estate that whenever you come to, there must be something beautiful to talk about. Lekki Aviation Town is number 1. If you wake me up in my sleep and ask me, Joanne, I need an estate in Ibeju, Lekki that I want to buy and go to bed, I would not take time to say Lekki Aviation Town, because as far back as 2023, we didn't have these projects in here. We didn't have all this you are seeing in here. And I want to say a very big congratulations to smart investors that believed in our dream and actually followed us on this journey till we got to this stage. And I also want to welcome you that want to get on board after you have seen this video. I can't wait to make you a landowner here or a homeowner here. Okay, so let's get to the section of the bungalows. But before we get there, these are more units of our terraces. These are more units of the duplexes in here. So this is a site update in Lekki Aviation Town. This is what is currently ongoing in Lekki Aviation Town. Okay, I want us to step into one and see. Let's step into this one and see. So this is a living room. Let's go upstairs. Same design with the one we just viewed. So there's a one room down. These are more units coming up. Okay, let's get to the bungalow section. As we are doing work on the buildings, we are also doing the estate pathways. You see what we are doing here. So let's keep going. Lekki Aviation Town is actually large. It's a massive project. These are more building projects. We mean business in here, and I advise you, whoever that is watching this video and you want to buy something for yourself before 2025 comes to an end, consider buying into Lekki Aviation Town. Okay? These are more projects, upcoming projects too. Don't forget that if you want to own the buildings, all it takes you is an initial deposit, and you get to enjoy a 6 months interest-free payment plan. If you want to exceed 6 months, we have a 12-month plan, and it has interest in it. If you want to buy into the building, just call me or you send me a WhatsApp message on the number displayed on your screen, and we'll take it off from there. So these are more units of the terraces coming up, and beside it we have the bungalows. Let's go see. One or two have been roofed already. Let's step inside and see the space, because that's the most important thing. Let's know how spacious the rooms are. So that's the bungalow. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are currently roofing. We still have some behind. Okay, but let's see. Let's take a look at this. So this is what we are doing here in the bungalow section. Remember, the bungalow is a 3-bed bungalow. Okay? And these are more units too. These are more units of the bungalows. Okay? So workers are on site and work is ongoing. Smart investors, we are still in Lekki Aviation Town and it exits all the way down. Lekki Aviation Town is a massive estate. You can see that more units of the bungalows, more units of the terraces are coming up. So do well to take advantage of this great opportunity that has come your way again, okay? Welcome back, viewers. So that brings us to the end of this site update in Lekki Aviation Town. You can see that there has been a massive development ongoing in this estate. So if you are looking for a perfect investment facing the Lekki-Epe Expressway that has experienced a huge development, Lekki Aviation Town is your best option. How can you buy into this estate? The only way you can buy into this estate is when you call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen, and I will take it off from there. My name is Joanne, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.